Well, you must have heard about Galo tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. Galo, at about 1.5 lakh people and one of the 26 major tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, dominate the regions of West Siang, Leparada, Lower Siang district, and also in some part of East Siang, Upper Subansiri, Namsai, and Changlang. Christianity are majority in Arunachal Pradesh state. The houses are made up of wooden or bamboo pillars, bamboo splash walls, balcony, and roofs are made up of leaf, a kind of palm leaf. Well, क्या सुना है आपने about Galo tribe? What have you heard about Galo tribe? About its food, culture, or maybe its festival? Hi, I'm Moi Moi, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys inside of the Galo house. So stay with me till the end. But before showing you guys around, let me tell you guys a quick fact about Galo traditional house. Well, in every typical Galo house, you will find two stairs. This is the stair, Nimkoba and Nilokoba, for both man and woman respectively. Nilokoba, Nilo means husband and Koba is stair. So as the name says, Nilokoba are usually for the man. But the girls who haven't started their first menstrual cycle are allowed to use that stair. As soon as they started having their menstrual cycle, they are not allowed to use that stair anymore. This one is Nimkoba. Nima means wife and Koba is stair. So this is mainly for women, but there's no restriction for the man. Man can use both stair, both Nimkoba and Nilokoba. There's not a particular rule for the man. As soon as we come up, we can see this place called Gojo, where water are stored and kept. Washing, sabji dhona, bartan dhona, वो सब काम इधर किया जाता है. Listen to the Gora is the Nimkoda. Said earlier, Nima means wife and Koda is the veranda. So this place is meant for the woman. And this is called Igin. It is a kind of basket. It is useful for carrying grains, rice, and other necessary things. This is called a bar. It is useful for carrying firewood. We can see a fireplace called Imik as we enter inside the house, where all people gather and sit together there, enjoying their evening.
Ani changka gola mingo si munu bai awbaram yubrina kolo awam layabra agam mogorela nibo begrela sim layab donan layab gan ho gigla donan nyode pele amla na de pele ho gigla abdo okay munu mopin didu mai ki buyi gai o ga donan
o buwa na ye
ni bochi ga durila sim buam ga moyado okay munu ko hopare mai Higi hobere buat togu parana. Ui kadu tu hin akuma bolo kokem alkuma delen na ui rulerin na alma ben yon lade kulun agam lade kulun hin aji dona. Sigi tabaka ibu hin higim hopata ben togu menduan ku ui menduan hingga na. Ko hinda katin do hida awe pina. Si papum ponyo papum ni higi inchin yoram hoppadam uimenda ngadanan si moga nama uimora nei kaina uimor ko ayagan dukka tiga dengna ibu kui ayagan dukka na imun ko korumno ko nyoda chiru amlenna na higi Hamba uyo mor paran bam ayagan dipu model la du korek kun bam yote chiriam sim hokker ilela higim bagona de emrin me hi genga hodumre buana te bagor ra pai o kamun pakapar kom higim bagor ra em mogor klo hodumre gum oglu du Potumhoran pakaparkum amnangatam potumhora bago pelelo aname madi hi bago riga pa hi hodum poga da abba mego birkapu kare lok 20 bosor megatu hi ngok abul amname abu amname ngok amname dagdu kai hodum pon hi chokku ge hora ye
hi chokku khi na ye
na kai hi kai ke kai lok hi rapko him kami amdu de him chokku gyaru him kami hi kate hi kami oke hi rapko an chukan adu ho yaku yara anala ame mogre la him bago be him udu be him yode be amna isab gala mo migram imigok rile kula sipele hi bago apela yode a nyo senko hi udu amna chelse api ho pe Simpele bago amra him yode amra an nyo penko amra badu andu so kerile alpele nimo mere ladu hoppe bago nimo mere sibela.
The women who are having their menstruation cycle are not allowed to go beyond the nyoda. It is kind of Lakshman Rekha.
Si so cherre buene hada hodna aya dona na ti so dume
oh
ti kai ni ho cherre na amne na itti tiriyo amne mo amne me hi na la to abu amne me hi abu ma abba yung buran kaya si paga na i si tuktangani paga apona gapo kahi puka si puka kahi gare aya na bubbo.
Well, this is Nilo Koda. As I have already told you, Nilo means husband and Koda is veranda or the balcony, you can say. And for men, but women are allowed, but those women who have their menstruation cycle are not allowed to come in the side. It's called gojo, and there they dry the grains or the clothes like blankets, khana hoga kapra se leke ya dhan. They do all that kind of stuff here in the gojo. You can see there is a small stair to go down there. Here there is one more gojo. You see, it's the other gojo, and the house.
This is the traditional attire of the Galo community. Not only the Galo community, but all the Arunachalee usually wear this kind of stuff. This is called Galo. Jaise kore. All you need to do is just put it here and wrap it over. And what you need to do is just take this one and put inside. Yeah. There. There's done.
Well, we can see two beautiful ladies weaving. Ayo, kakato. Hello.
Hi. Mona poisa kama galam chungala. Gawa ma ratram adun damdu. Aga chum sidu rukindo gala chumdo. Amrudo. Engla chum al chum ma kakendo kado.